Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Thanks so much for joining me today. Well, in today's video, it will be a decorate with me, and what I plan to do is decorate the wall beside this door. It's going to be right there. And what I'm going to do is slide in a rustic cabinet. I'm going to add a wall embellishment, arched one, a wreath, 2 lamps, 2 lanterns, and whatever else I can get my hands on. Let's do this. Okay, I shut my little shade here because the light ring was reflecting in it. I didn't like it. If you guys have a front door and you want some privacy at night, these little shades you can get at Lowe's, and they'll custom cut them to your window size, and they're awesome. Oh, we have a package. But anyway, I love these. You just push this little button and it goes up with such ease. And you can simply lock them with these little clips. You just kind of push them in and you can close it very easily. What you do is you just take this over here, clip, clip. And then when you open your door, it's not going to swing and it's going to stay nicely in place. And then when you want to open it, you just simply push on this, clips right out, push the button. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is add this beautiful arched wood wall embellishment. It's super big, and the way I like to hang these is just to put a nail in the wall, and then I hang it right here, just like that. I have this cute boxwood wreath with this cute burlap and striped bow. I found this at TJ Maxx, and the way I'm going to hang this is I took a nail just like that and I stuck it through here because you don't want to see it through the front. And I already nailed a hole for it, and I just have to press it in, and this will hang in the center of this wall embellishment. I'm going to use this to hammer it in. So I have this rustic cabinet, and I keep some of my decor pieces in here. And yeah, let's slide it into place. So this little corner gets sort of dark in the afternoon, and so I'm going to add 2 lamps, and I found these on Amazon and I love them. Sometimes I'll put these in a pot, and then I do a blooming lamp and I add florals, and it's so pretty with this decorative piece. So anyway, I'm going to put 1 there and 1 there. Let's add another one. See, that looks pretty cozy. I don't know if you guys can hear, but they're loading lumber to the 2nd floor of the house next door, so it's getting really loud. Next, I'm keeping it super simple. I'm adding 2 farmhouse lanterns. They're so cute. I got 2 of these lanterns. I think they are super cute and super unique at Home Centric, and I love the rope detailing just kind of falling to the side. And it has a glass cylinder on the inside, and I have a smaller one. They had 2 sizes. So this was the big one, and this was the small one. And by the way, guys, I did some Googling yesterday, and I believe Home Centric sells some of their products online. So maybe if you like this, you might be able to find it there, and they do ship. To those lanterns, I'm gonna add 2 flameless flickering LED candles, my favorites, and that'll give it the nice little glow at night. The small one right there, I really needed sort of like a little tea light candle or a much smaller candle. I didn't have one, but I think the tall one kind of works. So change of plans. I didn't like the lanterns. It was like too many tall things. There wasn't enough balance to me, so we're gonna do something different. I'm gonna add this cute little wood bowl with cute feet on it. I got this from Mud Pie. I love it. And I think you can get these on Amazon. If I'm correct, I'll link it below for you in case you would like one. But what I'm gonna do is add a boxwood wreath to the top of it to tie in with that boxwood wreath. And this will add a little bit of texture. Then we're gonna add a bunny. Now, beside the bunny, I'm gonna add this cute farmhouse stool. Next, I have this cute rustic looking pot with some dried florals, and I'm gonna sit this on top of the stool. So I think doing a grouping of 3 looks a lot better than doing 2 big lanterns and 2 lamps. It was off, you know, and sometimes you just have to play with your items, and then it's like a aha moment, like, no, what was I thinking? Next, I have this pretty jar with a wood top, super cute. And what I did was I put an LED flameless flickering candle on the inside of it. I just think at night, to see the glow through this is super cute. So I think that is super cute. And now by the front door, I'm gonna go ahead and add that rug I shared with you guys that I found on Amazon. I think it'll tie it all together. See, I think it looks really cute. It ties in with the wood cabinet, and then when you work your way up, I love this. I feel like because it is so dark today, we had snow earlier this morning. I'm like, what? And now it's raining. So anyway, it's just really dark. It's a really dark day. So I wish you could see how cute it looks in person. I feel like this video is not doing it justice. All right, my sweet friends, it's a short, quick video today. Come back and see me Friday. We may be working on the other side of the front door, adding some cute items. And anyway, thanks for joining me. Thanks for all of your wonderful comments. You guys are so sweet. I love you all so much. And I will see you Friday. Mwah! Bye, guys.